Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to get the hammer in Zelda, a link to the past. Go to the Eastern Palace entrance and clear the courtyard first, then locate the small key near the eastern chests. Open the locked room to the north, leap with Pegasus boots where needed, and press the hidden switch to reveal a chest. Equip the hammer from the chest and practice smashing cracked walls to reveal new paths and secrets. Once you have the hammer location, prioritize defeating the mini-boss to obtain the main dungeon key and clear pathways. Push the movable block near the slot to expose a secret hallway leading to the chest room. Time your jumps carefully to skirt lava and traps, then use the hammer to break cracked tiles and uncover hidden staircases. This sequence keeps your inventory light and prevents backtracking, making the run smoother and less frustrating for speed or casual play. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so more videos like this land in your feed. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for serious comfort during long play sessions. They hold up through hikes, couch marathons, and speedruns, and they feel great while you focus on puzzles. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. The hammer is best used to smash cracked tiles and reveal alternate routes that shave minutes off exploration. A charged swing can briefly stun larger foes, giving you breathing room to heal or reposition. Combine hammer strikes with bombs to clear fragile rocks and expose hidden switches that open bonus rooms. Practice short combos to preserve hearts, and always check suspicious floor patterns for 1/4 breaks that often hide valuable items.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.